Greetings, Windows users! Have you encountered the frustrating issue of UEFI firmware settings being missing on your system? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to solve this problem on Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. So step 1 is to run CMD as administrator. So let's get started. As administrator, click so, click yes. And then for step 2, we need to enter the conversion code. In the command prompt, type in this code. Like so, and then press enter. Then step 3, exit and restart your PC. So type exit, press enter, then confirm by clicking OK. Now restart your PC. Then step 4, change the BIOS mode to UEFI. So once your PC restarts, head into your BIOS settings. Look for the boot mode for BIOS mode. Change it from legacy to UEFI and be sure to save your changes. So as for me, I won't be converting my BIOS because I am already in the UEFI mode. And voila! You successfully resolved the issue of UEFI firmware settings missing on your Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7 system. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and may your Windows experience be glitch free.